no. Oh no, I forgot. When in Italy, you don't get forks and knives, or you have to like cut the pizza because it comes, I don't know, if you've never been, Italy pizza comes like this. And I don't have a fork or a knife. I have a teaspoon. Oh boy, okay. This is just where we're at. Anyway, so Mike is playing with the national team of Estonia for the European Championships right now in Milan. So I flew out here. It was such a cool experience because like the team organized a bunch of fans to like charter a plane and fly out here all together, and everybody at this hotel is like, or a lot of the people at this hotel are here with the team, like fans. So it's a really exciting, fun experience. But guess who was packing yesterday and realized she didn't have a passport anywhere to be found? Me. So I spent like 8 hours searching. I was up all night. Mike's mom came over. We tore the place apart looking for it. It's nowhere to be found. Well, here's the thing, like I have some documents that allowed me to get on the plane in the end, but I didn't know that they would allow me to get on the plane. Like it was the last minute, like I got to the airport at 5 and we just didn't know if it was gonna work, and it did. So on Monday, I have to go to the embassy here in Milan and get an emergency passport. But anyway, that's all aside from the point. The point is that I'm exhausted. I didn't sleep at all because I was so stressed last night. I was honestly not as stressed as I think I should have or could have been, but I just couldn't sleep. Didn't sleep at all on the plane. Immediately, like, just got here, haven't been sleeping. I've just ordered my first meal of the day, which is this pizza, which is pretty good, but I cannot cut it. And tonight, Mike is playing against Italy. So this should be cool because obviously we're in Italy. So it's gonna be good competition.
Ooh, look, video I totally recorded myself. Oh, here we go. Woo, go Mike. Yeah, so that was the highlight for me. And then all the rest was the low light because we lost by 20. But I still had a really good time. I had a lot of fun. But yeah, it was a pretty bad loss. So that was that. Gotta say, McDonald's delivery in Milan is so fast. So good. McDonald's is good everywhere, but this is really hitting right now. I haven't slept since like 2 days ago. Like I missed a whole night of sleep. So I'm so tired, and I was like, if I can't get food in 15 minutes, then I don't think I can stay awake long enough. But I haven't eaten enough in the last 2 days. Like I needed to eat some protein, or something bad was gonna happen to me. I don't even know what. And just like Milan, this McDonald's, like, you did that, you know? And the driver who delivered it to me, I love it here, you know? I love this cheeseburger.
And that's all I got on camera from that day. I was basically by myself for half the day, and then Mike met up with me for lunch, and then we had dinner after that, and I just didn't film anything. But I do have footage from my final day in Milan, and it was a game day, so let's see that. I feel like an idiot because it takes 3 months to get a ticket to the Last Supper, and I thought I could do it. Day of. Oh well. So for those of you that don't know, Estonia was definitely the underdog in this competition. They were playing against giant countries with superstar players on their teams, and it was very, very difficult with such a young team from such a small country where like these players aren't really making money to do this. In other countries, they're paid a stipend. It's just, you know, it's definitely hard to compete against people like you're about to see Giannis Antetokounmpo and Luka Doncic, like superstars were playing in this competition. But these young guys really like came out and competed, and it was so awesome to see. And honestly, what was even more incredible was the fan support. As you can see here, like 2,000 Estonians flew to Milan to watch this team lose, basically. But it was really awesome to see how dedicated they are and how committed they are to the growth of basketball in their country. And I also do want to shout out how wonderful they were to me personally. All of these fans here were so welcoming to me, even though I don't speak Estonian and I'm not Estonian. I felt very included. People were inviting me to tailgates and dinners and, you know, making sure I didn't walk home alone from games and stuff. And it was such a welcoming, warm environment that really warmed my heart. And so I want to say thank you if any of you guys are watching this. I really appreciate it, and I love your country, and I'm so grateful to have been able to take part in this experience with you. And also I do want to shout out Kristal if you're watching this, or if you're not, if you guys have ever heard of Kristal, she does like a lot of the management with the men's national team in Estonia. I literally would not have been able to get on the plane without her. I literally traveled without a passport because she helped me. So shout out Kristal, shout out all the fans in Estonia. I can't wait to be back at Eurobasket with you guys again. And thank you guys all for watching this video. Comment, like, and subscribe if you enjoyed it. And definitely start Googling some Estonian basketball because they deserve the support and they did a great job. And they're going to continue to have an awesome team years to come. So that's all from me. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.